Hi everyone, this is Krishnaram, Maths IIT faculty. Last class we discussed sets concept. Now in this class we have to discuss problems. First one, if x and y are two sets, then x intersection x union y whole complementary is equal to. See here, x intersection x union y whole complementary. We have to apply this property sets x intersection. This is write as x complementary intersection y complementary or x dash intersection y dash. Now you can apply the associative law x intersection x dash intersection x dash x intersection x dash x intersection x dash and x intersection y dash. Now x intersection x dash is equal to pi intersection x intersection y dash. Pi intersection any set also it is equal to pi. Now our option is third one, note down. Okay, second problem, let S is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. The total number of order pairs of disjoint sets of S is equal to, see here S 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 elements it has and this is 3 disjoint sets 2, 3, 4. That means here 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4. 3 disjoint sets. Next you can take here 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4. Next 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. This like total 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, up to 4, 1 and 4, 2, 4, 3. Then this one also 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 5. This like you have to write total number of sets. Here total number of order pairs. This is total number of order pairs. Here disjoint subsets. Disjoint subsets, how many it is possible means here one set it has 3. One set it has 3. This like how many sets are there? 4. 3 power 4 plus 1. That is the null set. Null set is subset of all sets by 2. Here 3 power 4 is equal to 81 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 82 by 2 is equal to 41. Our option is fourth one. Note down. Question number 3. Let P is equal to theta such that sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta and Q is equal to theta such that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Then be two sets. Then which option is applicable? First we have to check here. P is equal to sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. The whole equation is divided by cos theta. Then this is sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. This is 1 and this is root 2. Now this one side that side. P is equal to here tan theta is equal to root 2 plus 1. Now you have to take Q. Q is equal to sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. This one also you have to divide it by cos theta. Then sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Cos theta by cos theta is equal to 1 and root 2 sin theta by cos theta is equal to root 2 tan theta. Now this tan theta send that side and you have to take tan theta common. Tan theta you have to take common root 2. Then this is going that side means here minus 1 is equal to 1. Now tan theta is equal to 1 by root 2 minus 1. Now you can rationalize the denominator. Denominator root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Now 1 into root 2 plus 1 is root 2 plus 1 by here root 2. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then here root 2 whole square means 2 minus 1. Then root 2 plus 1 by 1. Then this is q. Then both p and q both are equal. See here. This is p. P is equal to tan theta is equal to root 2 plus 1 and q also root 2 plus 1. Then both are equal. Then p is equal to q. This is fourth option. Note down. Next problem, fourth one. In a college of 300 students, every student reads 5 newspapers and every newspaper is read by 60 students. The number of newspapers is, see here, total, let the number of newspapers is equal to n. Here total students, here in a college 300 students, total students is equal to here 300 students and each student read how many papers? 5 newspapers. Total how many papers here? 300 students into 5 total newspapers. Here also number of newspapers is 5 and each paper is read by 60 students. Here total newspapers. Then here n is equal to 300 into 5 by 60. Here 0 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6 5s are 30. 5 into 5 25 newspapers exactly. Third option, note down. Okay, next one, fifth one. An investigator and interviewed 100 students to determine their preference for the 3 drinks: milk, coffee, and tea. He reported the following: 10 students had all the 3 drinks M, C, T. M, C, T 3 drinks, and 20 had M and C, 30 had C and T, 25 had M and T, and 12 had milk only, 5 had C only, coffee only, and 8 had tea only. Then how many did not take any 3 of the drinks? This problem is very easy. It looks like very big problem, but we have to explain through the Venn diagram. Then it is also very easy to solve the problem. This is milk, this is coffee, this is tea. Now see here, 10 students had all the 3 drinks. This is 10. Okay, next 20 had M and C. 20 had M and C means this is also 10 plus 10, 20. This 20. Next 30 had C and T. 30 had C and T means here this is 20 plus 10, 30. 25 had M and T. 25 means this is 10, this is 15. 25 had M and T. Next 12 had M only and 5 had C only. Next 8 had T only. Now total how many members here? This is total 100 members. Now we have to count, this is total how many members, then we have to subtract from the 100. Then how many members also not take the drink in these 3, we know that. Now see here, 12 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 8. Here 22, 27, 37, 47, 52, 52, 72, 78, 78, 80. This is equal to 80. Now total is 100 minus 80 is equal to 20 members. 20 members also, they did not take any 3 drinks. Our answer is option 2. Note down. Next from 6th one, let x is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the number of different order pairs y, z that can be formed such that y is subset of x and z is subset of x, and y intersection z is empty means here y intersection z is equal to pi. Now in this pi elements you have to take any one element. Here total how many cases will come? Here 5 cases. Then you can take one is belongs to y and one is belongs to z, and one is does not belongs to y, and one is belongs to z, and one is belongs to y, and one is does not belongs to z, and one is does not belongs to y, and one is does not belongs to z. Here y intersection pi is equal to total how many cases will come? Here 3 cases. This is not intersection is not equal to 5. That's why 3 cases also possible. It is equal to 5. This like 1. Next you can take 2, 3, 4, 5. Total here 3 cases. Total how many numbers? 5 numbers means 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 81. This is the second option. Note down. Okay, next problem. If x is equal to set of 4 for n minus 3 n minus 1 such that n belongs to n and y is equal to 9 into n minus 1, n belongs to n, where n is the natural number set, then x union y is. Okay, here first we have to see here the binomial expansion of x plus y whole for n is right as nc0 x for n plus nc1 x for n minus 1 y plus nc2 x for n minus 2 y square up to so on ncn y for n. This is the binomial expansion of x plus y whole for n. Here x instead of you have to take here 1, this is 3, then this is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 for n is right as nc0 1 plus nc1, here 1 means here 1 into nc0 1, nc0, that's why plus nc1 3 plus nc2 3 square up to so on ncn 3 for n. Now see here, this is 3 plus 1 4, 4 for n is equal to 4 for n is equal to here NC01, here NC1 is equal to n, 3n, plus here you can take 3 square common, then NC2, next term is 3NC3, plus up to so on, here NCn means 1, 3 power n minus 2, already we take this is common is 3 square, that's why here n power 2, 3 power n minus 2. Now these two terms send left side, then 4 power n minus 3n minus 1 is equal to 3 square 9 into NC2 plus 3NC3 plus up to so on 3NC 3 power n minus 2. Now this is x, okay, this is a x, okay, here this is y, this is total, you can take y, then x is a subset of y, then x union y is equal to y. Suppose here they will ask intersection means x intersection y is equal to x only. Our option is second one, note down. Okay, next problem, let A and B are two sets such that A intersection x is equal to B intersection x is equal to 5 and A union x is equal to B union x for some set x. Then here 4 options as given. First we have to see here A intersection x is equal to B intersection x is equal to 5 as given. Now given statement A union x is equal to B union x. Now here we have to do it in two cases. First one we have to take A intersection either side. Second time B intersection either side. First we have to take A intersection either side. A intersection A union x is equal to A intersection B union x. Now this is a distributive law you have to apply. Then A intersection A union A intersection x, A intersection x is equal to here also same A intersection B union A intersection x. A intersection A is equal to A union A intersection x is equal to 5 is equal to A intersection B union A intersection x is equal to again pi. Now A union pi is equal to A, here A intersection union pi is equal to A intersection B. Now you can take second case B intersection on either side. Here B intersection, here given statement A union x is equal to B intersection B union x. Now here also you have to apply distributive law B intersection A union B intersection x. Next here also B intersection B union B intersection x. Now see here commutative law under intersection is possible. Then you can write here A intersection B is equal to B intersection A union B intersection x is equal to pi. Then you can write here pi is equal to here B intersection B is equal to B union, this is also pi. Now you can write here A intersection B union pi is equal to A intersection B only. Next this is also B. Now from these two cases we can take both are A intersection B is equal to A and A intersection B is equal to B. Now A is equal to B. Which option? This is first option. Note down. Okay, next ninth problem. If n of union is equal to mu is equal to 60 and n of A is equal to 35, n of B is equal to 24 and n of A union B whole complementary is equal to 10, then find the value of n of A intersection B. Now see here n of A union B whole complementary is equal to 10 as given. Now this is write as n of mu minus n of A union B is equal to 10. N of A union B whole dash is equal to n of mu minus n of A union B. We know that A dash is equal to mu minus A. That's why you can apply here. Now already mu as given 60. 60 minus n of A union B is equal to 10. Now this A union B send this side, 10 send this side. 60 minus 10 is equal to n of A union B. Now n of A union B is equal to 60 minus 10 is equal to 50. Now we have to find the A intersection B is equal to simple n of A union B is equal to formula n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Already we know that n of A union B is equal to 50, n of A is equal to 35, n of B is equal to 24 minus n of A intersection B. Now this is 59. 59, this is 50, then n of A intersection B. Now this one send this side and 50 send that side. N of A intersection B is equal to 59 minus 50 is equal to 9. 9 means here first option again. Okay, next 10th one, which of the following is null set? Here first one is singleton set, it has one element. Okay, that's why this is not a null set. Next the second one, see here x is a 0, x greater than 0 means here to here, infinite plus infinite, and x is less than 0, x is less than 0 means here this side, but in between here 0, in here x greater than 0, x less than 0, no numbers are possible here. X belongs to z, here z, here 0 is integer, again in between no zeros, no numbers. Next, see here third one, here x square is equal to 4 or x is equal to 3, here either 4 or 3 any number means here this is a set, okay, not a empty set. This is also possible, x square plus 1 is equal to 0 means x square is equal to minus 1, x is equal to under root of minus 1, then x is equal to under root of I square, then x is equal to plus or minus I is imaginary number, complex number. That's why this is also possible. Okay, our option is second one, no doubt. Okay, next problem. A set A has 3 elements and another set B has 6 elements. Then which of the following is correct? See here. Here n of A is equal to 3 elements and n of B is equal to 6 elements. Then n of A union B. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Here 3 plus 6 is equal to 3 plus 6. Here these two are disjoint sets means two are disjoint sets means this is equal to 0. Then here maximum is 9 elements are possible, n of A union B. Suppose A is subset of B means then A union B is equal to B. Then here 3 and 6 means here B is equal to 6. That's why here 6 elements less than n of A union B is less than or equal to 9. Third option. Note down. Now 12th question, let U be, mu is the universal set for the set A and set B, and n of A is equal to 200, n of B is equal to 300, and n of A intersection B is equal to 100. Then n of A dash intersection B dash is equal to 300. Then provide that n of mu is equal to, see here, n of A complementary intersection B complementary is equal to how much as given? It is equal to 300. 300. Now this is rewrite as n of A dash A union B whole dash is equal to 300. Now this is write as mu minus n of mu minus n of A union B is equal to 300. Okay. Now we have to find n of A union B. Thereafter you have to substitute here. Then we will get this answer. U. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A is equal to how much? N of A is equal to 200, n of B is equal to 300 minus n of A intersection B is equal to 100. 2 plus 3, 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. This 400 you have to substitute here. N of U is equal to 300 plus n of A union B. Here 300 plus 400 is equal to 700. My option is second one. Note down. Okay, next problem 13. The set S is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 up to 12 is to be partitioned to the 3 sets A, B, C equal size. Thus A union B union C is equal to S, comma A intersection B is equal to B intersection C is equal to C intersection A is equal to 5. The number of ways to partitionated S is, see here, you can take S is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 up to 12. 12 elements can be arranged 12 ways, 12 factorial. Next one is here A, B, C. Here 3 different sets. A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 you can take. And B is equal to here 5, 6, 7, 8. Next C is equal to here 9, 10, 11, 12. See here, this is one way. We have to arrange it three distinctive. A intersection B is equal to pi, A intersection B is equal to pi, B intersection C also pi, A intersection C also pi. Again, you can take here this like 1, 2, 3. Here 5 you can take here. Here 4, 6, 7, 8. This is as it is you can write here. Now 3 also different ways. This like how many it is possible, how many ways we have to partition it. Then here, see here, this is the total, how many elements here? Total 12 elements. Here each set having 4 elements. 4 elements can be arranged as 4 factorial. This like how many sets are there? 3 sets. Then 4 factorial whole cube. And this 3 internally how many ways we have to arrange means that is also 3 factorial into 4 factorial whole cube. Now the number of ways to partition it S is equal to here 12 factorial by here 3 factorial into 4 factorial whole cube. Then first option, note down. Next 14th problem, let A is equal to set of order for x comma y such that y is equal to e for x and x belongs to R. B is equal to set of order for x comma y such that y is equal to e to the power minus x and x belongs to R. Then which option is correct? You have to check here. Let A is equal to here y is equal to e power x. Then you can take here x is equal to 0 means here y is equal to e power 0. Anything power 0 is equal to it is equal to 1. Then 0 comma 1. Next one x is equal to 1 you can take here. Y is equal to e power 1 is equal to e. Then 1 comma e. Again you can take x is equal to 2. Y is equal to e square is equal to here 1 comma e square. Sorry 2 comma e square. Next one is b you can take it is. b is equal to y is equal to e to the power minus x. Here also you can take x is equal to instead of 0. Then y is equal to e power 0 is equal to 1. Then 0 comma 1. Next x is equal to 1 you can take. Y is equal to e power minus 1 is equal to 1 by e. Here 1 comma 1 by e. Now okay enough. Now you can see here. Here A intersection B you can find here. A intersection B, here one pair of elements are there. 0 comma 1. Here also there. Here also there. Then here A intersection B is equal to pi. This is also wrong option. And A intersection B is not equal to pi. This is correct option. And A union B is equal to n. This is all wrong. Then this is the second option is correct. Note down. Okay, next problem 15. Suppose A1, A2, A3 up to so on A30 are 30 sets. Each set having 5 elements and B1, B2, B3 up to so on Bn n sets, each with 3 elements such that mu is equal to union of I is equal to 1 to 30, Ai is equal to union of j 1 to n, Bj is equal to s. If each element of S belongs to exactly 10 AIS and exactly 9 BIS, the value of n is here. See here, first one union of I is equal to 1 to 30 as given AIS. Here total A1 union, A2 union, A3 union up to so on A30 as given. Here total how many sets as given? 30 sets. Each set having how many elements? 5 elements. Total 150 elements. Now union of J is equal to 1 to n BJs. Here B1 union, B2 union, B3 union up to so on Bn. Then here n sets, each set having 3 elements as given. Then 3n elements. Thereafter see here, if each element of S belongs to exactly 10 of AIS, then here total 30 as given. 30 here A1, here A2, A3 up to so on A10. This is one set of one set. Then again A11, A12 up to so on A20. This like A21 up to so on A30. This like you can interchange and you can write some sets. That's why here each element of S belongs to exactly 10 AIS and exactly 9 of BIS. Here total 3n is there. Here also B1, B1, B2, B3. This like B9. B9. Thereafter next B10. This like also there. That's why here 150 by 10 is equal to 3n by 9. Why? Because here both are equal. Is equal to S. Yes. Then 0, 0 cancel. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. N is equal to cross multiply. 15 into 3, 45. N is equal to 45. Our option is third one. Note down. Next one, 16th one, the number of subsets of set of 1, 2, 3 up to so 99 containing at least 50 elements. Here 1, 2, 3 up to so 99 is there. Up to here 49, 49, 50. Here 50 or more than 50 elements that set having. That is a total, a set having n elements means total number of subsets is 2 to the power of n. Here total number of sets is 2 to the power of 99 minus up to 49 elements you have to subtract from the set means then we will get the 50 or more than 50 elements are there. Here 2 to the power of 49 you have to subtract. Then here 50 element sets, subsets we will get. Then which option? First option. Note down. Okay, next question, 17th one. The number of elements in the set A intersection B intersection C where A is equal to set of order for x, y such that x, y belongs to Cartesian product of R and R such that modulus of x plus modulus of y is greater than or equal to 1. Next, B set is equal to set of order for x, y belongs to Cartesian product of R and R, x square plus y square is less than or equal to 1. And C is equal to set of order by x, y belongs to Cartesian product of R and R. Maximum, the modulus of x, modulus of y is equal to 1 only. Now you can write here A is equal to. Here A means here set of here modulus of x plus modulus of y is greater than or equal to 1. Modulus of x and modulus of y means you can take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. It is equal to 1. Next here 0 and minus 1 you can take. Modulus of minus 1 also plus 1. Next one is here 1, 0 and minus 1, 0. Next 1, 1. You can don't take 0 and 0. 0 is 0, not possible. Except 0 and 0, you can take any negative or positive numbers also. It is greater than or equal to 1. This is one set A. Next B you can take it is here. Here x square plus y square is less than or equal to 1. Then same here x is 0 means y is equal to 1 and x is 0 means y is equal to minus 1. Here x is 1 and y is 0, x is minus 1, y is equal to 0. And here 0, 0 also you can take it is here 0, 0 also. It is why because this is also less than or equal to 1. That's why 0, 0 also possible. Other numbers also not possible. Why? Because you can take here both minus also positive. That's why it is greater than 1. This is B. Now C you can take it is. C is equal to here maximum value it is equal to 1. Modulus of x, modulus of y, its maximum value is 1. Modulus of x is equal to 0 you can take. Modulus of y is equal to 1. Modulus of 0 you can take. Modulus of minus 1. Here 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Now see here. Now A intersection, B intersection, C. Here common elements in this both. See here 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Here 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0. 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Total how many points? Total 4 points is common. Okay. Note down. Okay, next 18th problem, two sets A and B are under A is equal to set of order pair A, A belongs to Cartesian product of R and R. Modulus of A minus phi is less than 1 and modulus of B minus phi is less than 1. And B is equal to order pair A, B belongs to Cartesian product of R and R. Here 4 A minus B, here also B. A minus 6 whole square plus B minus 5 whole square is less than or equal to 36. Then which option is correct? See here. First you can write here A is equal to condition, given condition. Here A is equal to, you can write here 5. A is equal to 5 means here it is equal to 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Otherwise any number you have to write means it is not possible. That's why 5 and 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Here also 5 minus 5 is 0. Then this is A. Next B set you can take it is here. B means here first you can write here 5 minus here 4 into 5 minus A is equal to 5 and B also 5 you can take first case. B it is equal to 0. Why? Because 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then here 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1 whole square plus 1. Plus 1 means this is 4. 4 is less than or equal to 36. Then you can write here B is equal to 5 comma 5, 5 comma 5. Next one is 5 comma 4, you can take it is here. 5 comma 4, here 5 means here 1, 1 means here 4. Here you can write here a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4, you can take means here 4 into 5 minus 6 whole square plus 9 into 4 minus 5 whole square. Now this is 1 square 4, here 1, 9, it is less than or equal to 36. That's why, okay, enough. This 2 here, already here 5, 5 is there. A intersection B is equal to set of order 5, 5 comma 5 is there. Now A intersection B is not equal to pi. This third option is correct. Okay, thank you children watching my videos, and next week you have to watch remaining 19th problems onwards. Thank you.